and Saints. Abateguye neza cyane ngaba bitwa bandi Moonstone. Abon Entertainment, Moonstone Entertainment ni nka company uko Sinners and Saints. Filime yiswende abanyabye abatagatifu n'abacumura. Barakwereka umujyi wa Los Angeles nukumeze nako Los.
I wish they would declare open season on the politicians.
Yeah, amen.
Nimwe njanyeka niyo tuza kwibera abanyapolitike cyangwa abandi bantu bibereyeho bisanzwe tukava muri force ya police uhura n'abanyabyaha benshi karangira amapaki.
That would be me.
Kanagatangaza.
I'm sorry, man. Put your hands at me down.
Nibyago niwe bambwiye turi gukorana ndati cyane.
Thanks for coming. Think we could use you on this one.
Wakoze kuza Shin. Think we can use you on this one. Nibyiza dushobora kugoresha kuri ibi. Shin n'uyu nguyu wahageze.
Come on.
Ngwino nkwereke.
What, there's more?
Hari abandi bapfuye se? Oya ngwino nkwereke. Va kuri aba bapfiriye hano ngwino nkwereke ibindi. Haravuze, do you think there are more? There is more. Hari abandi barenzeho. Hageze hanze. Halo.
I'll be right down.
Ndaje mukanya hasi ndaje.
Look, walk him through this. I'll be right back.
We komeza umujyane nanjye ndaje harabamagaye hasi mbiri jya hita subira inyuma. We bahita bamuzana hejuru. Abagabo bahiye basamye shaho.
A minute.
Yagenze bite mwe mwatuviriye hano se.
So we think
Abamuntu kwica nawe sha. Doramengo sha. Afuya hamwe.
this is the owner, Beaumont.
Uyu nguyu wapfiriye hano ni nyiri company yitwa Beaumont. Ngo n'umufotozi.
That's Sonny?
Yeah, you know it?
Uwo ni Sunny? Uramuzi ndamuzi.
Fake IDs, passports, credit cards, that kind of.
Yakoraga za fake IDs, passports, credit cards. Yakoraga za passports temewe, agakora amakarita temewe n'umuryogo. Za penimi ziva mu biryogo. Abaryogo dore kuntu bapfa bokapfa nabi. Na pifura aba mu biryogo ariko we no mustari nago namuvuga ababyenga. Hano hashize.
I read the report on Widow's kid brother. You think this is the same MO? Light him up?
Nasomye raporo ya Louis, murumuna wa Louis. Barimo barashaka Louis. Sasa Louis afite karumuna ke kari kaziranye naka kapfuye kitwa Sunny.
Light him up again?
Yeah,
Ndakeka abishi yungu y'Sunny bashaka murumuna wa Louis.
much identical.
Hari niko bimeze.
So you guys think this goes back to Widow, huh?
Urakeka byose birasubira inyuma kuri Louis. Ndati cyane.
Saying that. But I'll tell you what.
Rabizi.
You don't know anybody that's got the balls to go heads up against Widow like that.
What are you looking for?
Well, Sonny has this little fucking idiot he hangs out with named Louis.
Urashaka iki? Karumuna ka Louis abantu bose bakorana babaga bafite bwa tatuwaje ku birenge dore ba hari.
If this is Louis,
Cyangwa Louis.
right there too.
Murumuna we.
The dog Bunny.
You mean to tell me this guy and Lewis have a matching poodle tap?
Yeah, I guess it sounds stupid, but
Niko bimeze.
you have to meet this dog, you know?
Uri yarabazaga ngo urambwira ko uyu na Louis bafitanye isano cyangwa se bafite umurongo bahuriyeho na Louis.
Tap out numbers with his paw, twirl around like a ballerina. Dump.
Bishe karumuna ka Louis batazi ko ari karumuna ke. Nako bari kukica nabi kurusha abangaba. Dore umupfusha hakurya. Wakapagusha mwese murakashira.
All right, so let me guess. All the witnesses came down with CRS.
What?
Can't remember shit.
Namutanga buhamya numwe bigeze basigonda tereka da.
You see it. The kids downstairs were trying to score fake IDs when, bam.
Abana bari hasi bamwe bashakaga fake IDs indangamuntu za fake.
Pop.
Ubwo ibintu byagenze nabi nabo babishe abantu baje kubicana numwe basiga.
Go downstairs, drag Sonny and this kid up here for the barbecue.
Bivuga ngo abangaba babazanye hejuru kugira babaze byinshi.
And this kid right in front of him over and over again. Then when they were done with them, they lit him up and left him twisting in the wind.
Niko bimeze abari hasi babishe kujya mbese nta mutanga buhamya numwe baje basiga inyuma.
Widow, Sonny's family and friends, anyone else.
Inshuti za Sunny zose zishwe. Umuryango we nawe dore kubamugeza.
See what I can do.
Tugende tubyigeyo turebe icyo twakora. Shan. Tajya mu modoka na mbirigi.
Hey,
Wait.
when you walked in, you were looking for something.
Yeah, straight.
Igihe winjiraga hariya hari ikintu wasaga nawe ushaka. Yego.
Strays?
Straight bullets?
Nibisigazwa undatereka da. I was just looking for bullets. Nashaka masasu.
Weren't any. I'm not sure if you saw how tight those groupings were, but that type of shot placement takes some serious fucking talent.
So you were checking out the shell casings. The shooters were all within a couple of feet of each other, right? So they have history together.
Abarashubura uburyo barashemo uravuga ko barashi basa naho basaranye. nagari byo gusa.
I think I know who we should talk to.
Ndakeka nzi umuntu tugomba kuvugana nawe ku byaba barashi. I think I know who we should talk to. Uzi umuntu tugomba kuvugana nawe ku byaba barashi. Uyu musore sasa twaye Sean asa naho yatekereje ku bantu barasha hariya atekereza n'imbunda zabo. Kumbe hakuno reba sasa bahanze batarafatisha ko niwe bimeze. Reba fireman nuko yari ameze nawe. Yewe isi yarakubise. Yewe.
There he is. What you mean?
Yarakomeye niga. Yewe. Pifura ni usigaye ngo agenda gutya aririmba ahantu hose.
Question for you.
Bagushaka.
Talk to you.
Right on, I'm good.
Come over here.
Mwana rumagina ruvuyeho niga.
Come over here and talk to me.
Chakuvugana nawe. I want to talk to you.
Right. Melvin, you take another step.
Niwongera gutambuka ndahita ngufata ngufunge.
Here.
Gwiki. Mwana rumaji umfatanye se ndagiye. Gacaho. Gacaho. Gacaho na gitari yako nta muhanzi usiga gitari uremererwa pfana nayo. Nta muhanzi usiga umurya arayijugunye biriya byakomeye. Aracyayifite. Ndibeshye. Aracyayifite. Imbegete ku birenge. Pi agwa hasi. Ske pipura.
What is this?
Ibi ni ibiki?
What? Melvin.
Kibiki?
Credit card fraud? But I thought you were too far.
Amakarita tarayawe yo kuvanamo amafaranga kandi ukaba ufite menshi.
Admitted to it.
No, man, I ain't admit this shit. That's my old man's car.
This is your old man's car, Rajin Mugambi?
Mwana iyo ni karita y'inshuti yanjye.
That's my mama's boyfriend.
Mwana ni inshuti y'umugabo w'inshuti ya mama wanjye. We.
Hey, come on now. Tell me what you want. You know, I'll give it to you.
Mubwire icyo mushaka ndakibaha.
All right, your boyfriend Louis.
That's easy, man. Go see Sonny. He hook you up.
Umva Louis uramuzi. Mwana Louis ndamuzi ariko mujye kureba Sunny. Kumbe Sunny ni wa wundi batwitse.
Yeah, we tried that. He's not going to be much help. What about the other cats he's rolling with?
Sunny ntawe uhari ngaho tubwire undi twareba.
Last time I seen him, they was running around with some white dude, some crazy-ass fool from the channel.
Ubwa nyuma mubona Louis yasaga n'umuntu wasaze ambwira ibintu bidahura asa namuvuga ibintu bidahura yari afite ikibazo gikomeye.
Got a name?
Ufite amazina?
One of them cracker-only names, some shit, Connor, Conway.
Colin?
That's it, Colin.
Yavugaga umuntu witwa Colin cyangwa Conway. Colin. Nkeneza kakanyamakuru kazi kapfuye musaza wako. Sasa uwo ndi wasaga nawe yasaze yavugaga amazina y'uwo nguwo Colin. Colin. Kumburi ya mupolisi asiranye na Colin. Mwibuke bigeze bicarana mu kibari. Ubu ndavuga ikibara. Bari kumwe mu kabari.
Day.
Uriya caho. Amugenga cha mu kibara ko nta kintu yambwiye witwa Colin. Akabara kabari barakihorera. Bahita baza kureba mugenzi wabo. Yego.
Sunny Sal, you get a trace on it?
Gombo yunguyu inshuti ya Karen arayizi yaje kureba inshuti ya Karen.
Hey Sean, one second.
Sean nyanganira segonda mbanza mvugana na mama hano.
Shit.
Sean.
Door's open.
Rugi rwa rufunguye ariko.
Scared the hell out of me.
Where you going, Stace?
Nibiki?
What?
Ugiye he? Ngwiki?
Going, suitcase.
Ugiye ku muntu urimo gupakira.
I was just going to my mom's for the weekend.
Nagiye kureba mama.
Fuck you, Sean.
Stace, I saw your car outside.
Usa n'uwimutse. Stacy, mbonye imodoka yawe iri hasi.
What do you care?
Kuki ubyitaho? Kibazo gisweyo kwa mitsingi.
How the fuck should I know?
Karen ari.
Seen him in 2 years.
Maze imyaka 2 nabona Karen. Maze imyaka 2. Karen ari marahigwa n'abantu barimo gutwika abantu. Karen buri muntu aziranye nawe wese barimo baraza bakamutwika n'aka gakobwa kari kimutse menya ko afite inkuru. We ngize ukuri Karen ari. Yakurwana n'ibyo arimo kwambura.
Haven't seen him in 2 years. What the fuck is this?
Myaka 2 utamubona amafaranga menshi wayakuye.
I'm getting out of here. I'm getting clean.
Ndimo ndavano.
Going to Florida. I got an apartment and everything.
Ndimo ndacika ngiye kujya muri Florida hano byakomeye. Abantu bose bazenye na Karen baratwika bakanapfa nabi. Umupolisi arabyumva. Ahita amenya ko umukobwa ari amakuru afite.
God damn it! I want the truth!
Ndashaka ukuri. I want the truth. Bararwana.
Going to meet him!
Wimbwira iby'ukuri ndakwiyamye.
Right back.
Amba Sheri ndaza guhamagara mukanya Sheri. I love you too much. I love you. I love you like ballers. Like ballers. Hatajya kureba barimo kurwana. Gukora ku rugi bafunze. Umukobwa ara. Stacy, ararira.
You better not be fucking lying.
Fuck, I swear.
Wizana ibintu by'imikino mbwira ukuri abantu bashize mbwira Karen ni cyo kibazo afite. Kuvuga atinya kuvuga. Uyu ni umupolisi. Sa umupolisi rero buriya wakambije agahanga akaza umutsi ungana n'urutoki. Haragatsindwa.
I came home a couple of nights ago and I found
He came to me a couple of nights ago. Yaje wundi amajoro make yahise.
on the stoop. He was drunk and all coked out.
Nari ndimo kubyina bisanzwe.
He was talking nonsense. Wanting to run off some shit.
Yaje mu mwijima arambwira ngo he wants to run off some shit. Arambwira ngo ashaka guhunga akagenda n'umwanda we.
And he started freaking out.
He started freaking out. Freaking out ni umuntu uba uvuga ibintu ariko asa nk'ufite ubwoba yikanga kanga.
And he gave me the money and he told me,
Yamaye amafaranga. He gave me the money and he told me. Yamaye amafaranga arambwira.
don't ask any questions. Just
Don't ask any questions. Ntugire ibyo mbaza amaze kumuha amafaranga niko yambwiye ngo don't ask ngo nsingire ibyo mbaza.
get the fuck out of town.
Ngo nimve muri uyu mujyi. Just to get the fuck out of town. Ngo nimve mu mujyi. Niyo mpamvu wabonye nanjye. Nari ndimo gupakira ibyanguye. Igitanda sinane kugisigira ndeko nari kukireka hano. Yanga we ni yataye intebe kwa Faustin.
Yeah, he said he was going to see you.
Yambwiye ariko ko nawe agiye kureba. Hano hari umugabo useka nabi. Wajyaho n'impimbi. Hey, iki buri impimbi. Iki ni yahamwe. Kirimo kunaga cyajya ukajyaho n'ibindi nuko kiba kinaga. Wajyangara na.
On one of their numbers at Sonny's. This building is some dump off of MLK.
Mbwira bigenze bitari indani ngo numvaga mutongana n'ibiki. Kumbe uyu nguyu yumvisha amakuru yose. Karen ari muri uyu mujyi ariko buri muntu wese azi. Yaramwiyamye aramubwira ngo atazongera kumukurikirana ngo kandi nave mu mujyi agende. Abenshi bamaze gupfa. Barakwereka ngo yaje. Ugiyewe. Menya Fatorori. Mwihangane gato. Ya rundi muntu bagiye kubaza mwihangane.
Yeah, he said he was going to see you.
Yambwiye ariko ko nawe ashaka kuza guhura nawe akagusobanurira byose dore umupolisi da. Uzi umuntu kureba ijisho rimwe risinziriye kandi ririmo kurira irindi naryo rikanuye. Ameze nk'igihunyira. Avaye mugenzi wari hano. Abaja. Twaje kubinda twaje mu biki. Baguye se ko naje gushora umubindo yewe. Ndabinduriya n'umwana ko ari bo babindika bakabinda pampers ziva burayi. Ntacyo mpfana na ntuzo wa wundi urimba muri Baba Boys hariya yitwa nde. Fafi. Umwe wabindaga Boris. Fafi. Abavayo. Cyashashe cyanya kwitwe n'uburoro. Yewe yakigenda na pampers aho kigeze hose mu kabari kirabinda. Kiya abana bandi kibindika za pampers. Baje hakuno. Imwe ebyiri eshatu urupolisi sasa narwo rusa nk'urwiyahuza rero ndi bica polisi bari kumwe none n'ubururiyahuye rufite agatuza gusa n'amajigo doraga kano kigenda nka Sankara do.
Excuse me? He's a buddy of yours, right?
Nishti yawe uje
In
kureba
some kind of trouble?
hari ibibazo arimo cyangwa is he in some kind of trouble? Baje kureba inshuti yabo uwo muntu abantu abicanyi bakomeje guhiga iki cyahise kizana umupolisi kitanamubwiye dore imbere inyuma arimo arabazagura ntibamubwire ariko nukibaragurisha. Okay.
What he's into, okay? The guy is a goddamn magnet for trouble.
I want to know what he's into. He's just in some goddamn trouble. So
how long have you known him?
How long have you known him? Umuzi igihe kingana cyashize igihe kingana kimuziranye. Uyu nimbiri yarakubaza.
Entire life. I've known him my whole life, Will.
Muzi ubuzima bwe bwose. Nubwo ari umunyabyo gwenye muzi igihe kirekire.
Pilot shit I've ever stepped in, Colin's been right in the center.
Ahantu hose nageraga Carl namusangaga arimo hagati. Ariko none bari hagati y'urupfu n'ubuzima. Abo baziranye barimo barishwa ndashaka kumenya abamuhigani bande.
That's what I heard Stacy talking about.
Mwana ibyo nabyumvishe kiriya gikobwa kirimo kubivuga cyitwa Stacy narigize ngo ugiye gushora umubindo.
Did he?
Did he what?
Come see you.
Yigeze aza kukureba. Did he come see you, Carl? Mwibuke neza mu kabari cya Carl kigeze kuza kiramubwira filime itangira batari bari murakapfa gusa. Ngo ntuzongere kunkurikirana bankurikirana bose nibibazo. Ntago cyagiye kure cyashye mu migani.
Yes.
Yego.
Last night.
Ijoro ryakeye yaje kundeba. Mwibuke neza mu ijoro yari bari kumwe mu kabari.
Night? You weren't going to tell me?
Bwira bijya mbere rero.
What did he want?
Yashakaga iki mujya guhura? What did he want?
I don't know what he wants.
Mwana sinzi ibyo yashakaga.
As soon as I find out though.
Nimbimenya ariko as soon as I find out though.
Trust me, you're going to be the first person to know.
Trust me, you will be the first person to know. Niwe wa mbere ubimenye.
Are we gonna do this?
turabikora tujye kumureba. Are we gonna do this? Tujya kumureba tubikore cyangwa
After you, sir.
ndagukurikira banzaye. Bano bakuru narize uzi ko buri jambo nisobanura uko rimeze mwoka ariko man barinjira kandi mbisubiramo mwabyumvishe ku buryo ntago nakubeshye ejo ndi professor w'Ubutare yarampamaga ati yanga tuzabwira umukuru wa bose ubwo namwe muramwumva agwa amatungo ni yaranyibwiririye mukuru wa bose yaraje yanga zaguha itungo rigufi n'irindi tungo muraseka sinamuvuga izina no mukuru w'abantu ba professeur mfite amatungo abiri tungo rigufi n'irindi tungo ariko arabatari imbeba y'inzungu nuko ntamubajije abantu tabaza kwicecekera no kumuruka namubwira nti mujyana amatungo yanyu baje kureba wa wundi witwa Karen basanga bya bigabo bitwika abantu filime iraryoshye babiguyeho biracyitwikira imari kumanywa uyu bamutwitse kumanywa.
Wow.
Bega.
Well, hello, boys.
Bite basore, hello boys. Bari maratwika umuntu wabo bivanzemo ureba kuna gatogo rwose nimukunda ibiryoshye mugitangiye inyungu nona inyungu zanyu nizi.
Easy.
Biragutwika bikakuzimya bagutwika nk'incurenyi ubwo nuko ngo upfa nka kane ubu nubona ko apfuye wasanga bamujimije none abendaga gutwika bwa kabiri.
Ease up, champions.
Buhoro.
Rid of you not knocking, mind you, but for now, just take it easy.
Bafite imbunda za gisirikare ntabwo ari imbunda z'ibirara bamwe bacuruza imogezo batwara reka da umva mu bitware buhoro hari uburyo turimo mu bitware buhoro. Imiziki kandi iyo barimo kwica umuntu barayisakurisha ku buryo umuntu ataka kumva imiziki. Barimo kubwira dore umupolisi uri imbere ku ntareba.
Get real fucking ugly real fucking fast in here if we're not.
Umva nimugerageza kwirakaza turabangutse kubarusha uko mu bikeka.
Fucking careful.
Mwitondere, be fucking careful. Mbirigi we yarumiwe yumvaga inyama zihumura akajya ne brushette kumbe neza umuntu.
Comprendez-vous?
Mumbabari baya wa sasa rarota wa muntu batwika garazutse baragutwika ugapfuka garuka bakakuzimya sasa kumanywa kumbe nago biba byonyine sasa bagabateye nabi babaga barwana bataka abandi kwisi abandi bagizi banabi kwisi iyo babonye abashinzwe umutekano bababona barwana bahunga ibi birarwana byataka aya sibye iki cyahungaga dore bagenzi baje bahita bataka kandi bararwana bigaba mbere jya hera inyuma bari hagati aya uwa mbere hasi barabangutse shaho baraza bihuta mbere afite ubwoba bako bafite uburyo barasama bona mugenzi we baracyataka ibirenge yewe baracyataka yewe ske ishemuta umudamu yewe filmira sinners and saints filime niko yiswe abatagatifu n'abanyabyaha kuki yiswe ityo ndakubwiye itararangira urabimenye
Whoa, so wait.
Bundas hasi we mudamu w'abandi hasi.
Man, you psycho cop! You fucking cunt cop! Put the gun down! Stop, you fucking tosser!
Chachaka wa mupolisi we gira tukana umupolisi.
Fuck off! You fucking dog! I'll fucking kill her! I'm warning you! You're a fucking psycho cunt! Keep crying, sweetheart. Keep fucking crying. You're my killer. Put the gun down now!
Bunda hasi nona.
You wanna fucking see it? I'll fucking kill her where she stands. She's gonna fucking die for you right now. I'm raising me all on the fucking pavement right now.
Aya. Oh. No wana umuntu ufashe imbunda kuriye ukabona afunze umwuka jya umenya ko risohotse. Ubu ndababwira zatage tuko twazize. Ukabona umuntu navuga none akageraho ko ubona atagihumeka datera uravuga utirira sotse nuko ba sniper barasa urabanza ugahita iyo ufunze umwuka amasagonda nk'atatu urarekura ho nuko dupima mwenye muje barashinyitse murambona mugashinyika mujye muvuga dore ikisha imbere yacu mwuka apamwe.
What happened?
Yagenze biti
What?
iki
We don't know.
ago tubizi.
It went really wrong. What do you mean something went really wrong?
Hari byabaye nabi. What do you mean something really went wrong? Go kucyirimo kuvuga ko ibintu byagenze nabi.
Fucking details in that.
Ibi byumbwira nibiki ndashaka makuru arambuye.
The reporters were saying that there was some kind of shootout.
Hari bibi byabaye tuza kuraswa ariko turaswa n'umuntu udasanzwe.
The roll deck crew, Ranko, Cole, all of them.
Ranko wo twitaga Ranko uramwibuka ngo hari uwo bitaga Ranko niba baramwitaga iryo zina.
Fuck is this possible?
Ibyo uravuga ibiki? What the fuck is this supposed to mean? Ibyo umbwira birashaka gusobanura iki? Ka telefone. Kumbe bari bahamagaye bafite boss wabo mukuru.
Hello.
Hello.
That's all you have to say to me, Raymond? That's it?
Now, Mr. Richter, wait.
No, I'm done.
Ibyo ugomba kubwira boss hano niba yararwaye kwa kundi bantu barwana intuza zikabyimba. Amavi ku buryo uvugiriza umuntu akiriko babyita icyaryo nuko ngiki imisoto.
From the sound of my last phone call with the company, so are they.
Well, I've tracked him down this far. That must account for something.
Of course.
Namushakishije ntago birimo gupfa gushoboka ariko ndacyamushakira dore boss ko nagenda yewoka twabo inuza zarabyimbye uburi umuntu yejeje intoryi zikabyimba cyane niko agenda mu murima.
A possibility.
Hari uburyo bworoshye cyane mushaka ko muginga murangize cyangwa nyamba shaka mbarangize boss abyimbye n'inda abantu nk'aba ngabo bagiragenda ukabacisha mu misoto bakindi koro ikamera nk'iyanga ikarenganira.
Oh please Raymond, don't do this.
This grappling, seriously, I just can't
Stomach it, I can't.
Wikora ibi bagore mujye imbere ndacyatongana kuri telefone.
It's what it is.
Ndabiyamye mutojya ku maraporo mbi uwo muginga mushake mbone sinshaka kumbwira ngo hari byanananye.
Now you hold on. Richter.
Boss.
Doskoro.
Ntuzongere kumpamagara nsanje guhamagara.
Don! Richter!
Boss! Riff boss! Boss yitwa Riff. Boss arakupa. Iki kiyoboye ibirara, boss ari hejuru.
Riff?
Riff.
I want you and Decker.
We na Decker ndabashaka. I want you and Decker.
Find out.
What the hell went so fucking wrong?
Mugende mumenye niki cyabaye kibi. What the hell went fucking wrong? Mugende mushake niki cyabaye nabi.
Let's go, boys.
Tugende basuri. Gatwe kabini uyoboye. Wari umuyoboye yapfuye. What really went wrong? Cyabaye nabi. Kuba barangije job. Barangije nijoro.
Are you okay?
Mukarage mugenzi yifitiye nyirakamana we. Uraho Chema Semana. Ndaho je Chemana.
Beth?
Hi.
Ni madamu wanje mwiza.
My friend says Sarah.
Umukobwa wanje ugikundira umwamikazi Sarah.
And this is little Mad Max.
Uyu bamwita magisi w'umusazi. Akira imodoka uje kujya umunyenga.
Yes, baby.
Papa ngwinyo, mubwiye ko mwana nkinje kukabona. Ubwana rero nabwo babwishimye mu rugo. Papa, ubwiye ya mugana y'abajyamutera ukinje kukabona. Umwaraje baricara ku meza.
You guys, this was really great.
Ibintu byiza kuba munyimvise wanyu. Sasa cyambere igi uyu mupolisi bararwanya amanywa yose bari mu job. Ndawubuye hari abantu bajya mu kazi k'indyankurye. Niyo mpamvu giye navuye mu bintu nka biriya nigira kuri microphone musige mbabwira mukajyaho mukama amafaranga. Urumva? Ibintu nk'ibi by'inzavumba sinzi naho byaturutse ariko Yes mbabwiza ukunda babwira kandi mukajyaho. Umudomo ni untunze ubu ngubu ntago nyituzwe na bwa bucura. Eka da.
Yes, it was. Yeah.
Batangiye kuganira.
Any kids?
Wigeze ushaka undi ati cyane nigeze ushaka. Wigeze ubyara?
We had a son. His name was Jacob.
Wabivuga utyo.
He was 6 years old.
nari mfite umwana w'umuhungu afite imyaka 6. He was 6 years old.
Diagnosed with leukemia about a year and a half ago.
Ntabwo nari mpari.
Yeah, so anyways, she left after that.
Mudamu wanjye umwana wanjye amaze gupfa nawe yaragiye.
She can only take looking at me and seeing him for so long, you know.
Nuko byangendekeye ntabwo byabaye neza.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Nibyo mana kutambwiye man.
Usually I just
Police bakorana.
make up some bullshit story to tell people because I don't want to seem so.
Bibaho rimwe na rimwe nanga kubivugaho ariko iyo muye n'abantu batabizi barambaza nkababwira. Uyu mugabo yigeze kugira umuryango apfusha akana kagahungu kari gafite imyaka 6. Umugore we avuga ko yaciyeho ariko ubwo nawe no gucaho nyine murabyumva.
And Sarah, what are you doing to this poor kid?
Sarah kawuyo kakagabuga ko ibiki.
No, we don't want to be a princess. That's not.
Mwana nuka umwami kazi jya umugabo. Gishiki cyawe n'ikikagushuke. Oya gishiki cyagiye kimwambika nk'abagore. No muryango w'ibyishimo mu rugo abantu babishimye. Abagabo nko mbizi nanjye umuntu aje kunsura dusiga umugore n'abana mu nzu rimwe byo tumaze kuganira nge nisohokera hanze kuri balcony abatazigira murakapfa nabi. Ndabwira abantu bo mu mageto y'Inyamirambo.
I'm sorry, man.
Ihangane mwana.
I'm sorry I froze up on you today.
Ihangane kubyabaye umunsi.
Get that out of your mind. You did exactly what anyone else would have done.
Wakoze ibyo buri muntu wese yakora. Oya.
I mean, you went in there after them like the odds were in your favor.
Wakurikiye bari abaswa wenyu urimo kwataka no bakwataka ari nkishira hamwe je ninya kumanuka. Oya ntago ariko bimeze. Basanga ndekigwari mukarajya ari marigaya. Kumbe koko uyu mugabo mwibuke neza babandi batakaga nabo yataka. Tekeza abantu bameze gutyo. Usibye umuntu wize igisirikare. Na wundi muntu wataka kuri.
Norman Rockwell you got.
Na nundi muntu wita kuri bagenzi biyo barimo gupfa. Uwa barimo kureba ko yakwica gusa. Ni gikomanda.
That's the difference.
Yatangiye kumubwira ko afite itandukaniro.
A blessing out of every tragedy.
What's that?
My father, he was a preacher.
Data yari umuvuga butumwa.
If there's anything my old man ever taught me is that everything happens for a purpose.
Gusa data niba hari ibintu yakundaga kwigisha mu nsengero yaravugaga ngo ibintu byose bibaho kubera impamvu. Everything happens for a purpose.
To suffer in agony for 2 years.
Amaze nk'imyaka 2 umugore wanjye amaze tutakiri kumwe n'umwana wanjye tutakiri
kumwe. Had gone different and I was the one lying cold on that street right now.
Usiko nari kuba nasigaye hariya mu muhanda ukuntu wagiye wataka wasiga n'utabaragera.
Sitting here comforting your beer.
Oh, come on, man. Is it possible that what happened to you and your family wasn't just random tragic bad luck? Maybe there's something greater at stake?
What are you trying to say? That what happened today was something holy? I don't believe in miracles. I'm not a saint, Will.
Muvandimwe, I'm not a saint, bro. Ntabwo ndi umutagatifu. Sinjya nizera mu bitangaza ngo ibyabaye byose ni kubw'impamvu. Umwana wanjye ntiyapfa ngo ni kubw'impamvu. I'm not a saint. Filime yiswe Saints and Sinners.
You're gonna believe what you believe, I believe what I believe.
Wizera ibyo wizera nanjye ndizera ibyo nizera. You're gonna believe what you believe, I believe what I believe. Wizera ibyo wizera ndizera basukaye. Dore umwana w'umupasiteri wo kacwa. Icyo kunywa rakirusha sashi. Wa wundi wo muri Baba Boys. Sashi nyakwicwa n'uburoro.
And you gotta get some sleep.
Wogenda uruhuke. Nanye nshaka kuryo njya kuruhukamo. Mu gitondo bagomba kujya ku kazi. Saint Roche. Saint ngo Seroshe. Imodoka bafite indika kandi bagashwanyaguza shawo. Yukumbe yirarira mu modoka rimwe na rimwe. Aho gabaragan, hello?
Yeah, no problem. What's going on?
Nikijya mbere.
Where?
Hey.
I'm on my way.
Ndi mu nzira yanje. I'm on my way. Ndi mu nzira ndaje. I'm on my way. Saints and Sinners niyo filime turura. Abatagatifu n'abaki? Ngwiki? Sinabapfubuzoka. Dorundi mupfu agaraka we bamutwitse nabi. Wa mukobwa bari baje kureba witwa Stacy.
Hey, what's up?
Hello.
So you sure it's her?
Sean.
Yeah, it's her.
You go?
Hey, you realize what this means, right? This ain't about Weddle. This is all your buddy Colin.
All right, listen. You have any luck tracking that other number on Sonny's cell phone?
Another dead end.
Ibi byose byatewe n'inshuti yawe Carl. Abantu bose bazenye na Carl barimo barapfa nabi cyane.
Check the reporter's phone records. See if that same number pops up anywhere.
You think it's Collins?
All right, I gotta go.
Sasa kugenda. Kiri kuri telefone. Tom Berenger, boss. Yagukinaga filime kitwa Sniper. Rimwe kabiri na gatatu. Tom Berenger.
We know who it is?
Uzwari we?
Yeah, her name's Stacy.
Yitwa Stacy.
Met her yesterday.
Twahuye ejo.
Connected with one of our possible suspects.
Abani bamwe mu bantu nyeka noneho natangiye gukeka n'umuntu ushobora kuba uri ari nyuma barimo guhiga ari nyuma yibi.
Look,
umva.
I hate to bring this up, but
nagomba kuzana ibintu
headquarters. Heat's being put on them from City Hall, who's being hammered by the press about those shootings yesterday.
Amasasu yabaye ejo babimbwiye ndabiswe ejo mwahanganye. Abanyamakuru batangiye kubivugaho ariko none.
Kind of looks that way.
Agaruko turi bukore.
How much time do I have? Tomorrow.
Akazi ni ryari nshobora kunkuba ushobora kunkura kuri kirego ni nkejo.
Think so.
Ukomeje kubijyaho nawe ushobora gupfa.
Look, I need your help.
Get
the forensics to rush the IDs on those guys from the shootout. Sean, come on, Pete.
Nyeneye forensics nabakurikirana abapfu uburyo bapfuyemo n'ababikoze ndetse nyeneye kumenya shooters abarashi. Ejo twarasanye.
I'll do what I can.
Okay, ndakora ibishoboka. I do what I can. Ndakora ibyo nshoboye. I will do. Ndaza gukora what I can. Ndakora ibyo nshoboye. Reko nagufasha. Barasanye ni bandi. Shakaga ugafite ijigo. Uraribonye. Nakantu kagakanu wajya unisankara bafitanye isano.
Thought I was a small one.
Hello.
Hold on.
About a dozen times.
God damn it.
Why Malcolm?
Nasubiye mu birego inshuro nk'amaduzeni like 100,000 times. Amaduzeni inshuro ibihumbi. Nasanze Karo abantu bose baziranye nayo n'abafitanye isano baribo bahiga.
I have something on these guys looking for him.
Abagabo barimo kwica abantu nibo barimo gushaka.
We're going to the press.
Right. So we got to get to him before they do.
Tugomba kumubona mbere yuko barimo kumuhiga bamubona. Kara tubwire niye impamvu abamuhiga bakomeje kwica abantu.
All right, I'm on my way.
Sawa ndi mu nzira yanjye ndaje duhure. Right, I'm on my way. Ndi mu nzira ndaje. Barashaka Carl. Abahiga Carl barimo barica abantu. Bagiye babaza buri muntu wese ku muhanda barimo kubona. Kumbe Carl yari umusirikare. Carl kuba yari umusirikare baragenda berekana ifoto ye ya gisirikare ariko bakabaza uwo muntu ari he. Wanga kuvuga bagwatiriza uyu muntu uramuzi. Wapi mani? Yewe wapi kabisa ndinyera gutabara ariko wapo sinamuzi nzige ndinda kabari. Wapi usibye ko turindi rondose nta umbwo tumuzi kabisa. Yo bamwe babaye n'abahanzi. Uzi uvuye muri Afghanistan amasasu yaragucaga hejuru. Bagamuhaku. Wanga kuvuga baramuhatiriza. Uyu muntu uramuzi. Undi muniga. Urinyera gutabara turakoze uyu muntu uramuzi. Wapi kabisa. Aho twakomangiraga igikopo genda ntekeraga abasirikare mani. Nago ibiyoga barabimena. Nago nariwe. Hey! Bagabo bariyana. Batangiye kubariza Carl. Bamubonye baramenya abamuhiga impamvu bamuhiga. Carl afite amabanga akomeye. Yibibi yakoze. Kandi abamuhiga bararwana gisirikare, ntabwo barwana gipolisi cyangwa gisivile. Reka da. Ntabwo barwana nk'inyera gutabara. Barwana nk'abakiri mu kazi. Aho ko babaririzaga babaririza ikigabo. Mani bite niga.
Oh, lost or something?
Kayobye. Mukomeza turimo turibariza ibyacu. Mwana ko tubabaza ni mutubaze. Urabona ko turi abapolisi bafite za badge. Uri bifuza iki? Imbunda zivayo. Cyaracika. Nini kandi? Vaya baniga. Barabashimuse nabo. Ho! Nimujya guperereza shaka ku bantu, ni nk'umuntu uzamenyera agiye akaza kumpererezaho. Ndagukurura se mfite ibirara shagiye nako mfite abantu banjye ntago navuga bari. Ntago ari ibirara. Yasikagare. Barabakuruye baranje bajyana mu quartier hakuno.
Fuck is going on?
Nikijya. Mwana muceceka niga. Harundi buri mukejima. Uri mu mwijima. Abanza barabafungura. Ntibazore mu mwijima ninde. Bamurebye. Havana urusura rwahiye shaho. Do. Nikijisho cyahiriyemo.
Recognize me, white boy?
Uranyibuka wa muzungu we? Recognize me, white boy? Ngo wa mwana we w'umuzungu uranyibuka? Recognize me, white boy?
That's good.
Yes.
Guess we can cut straight to the fucking chase. I want to know what you know.
Oh, no, reka tujye ku ngingo nshaka kumenya ibyo muzi.
Fucking kidding me?
Uri murakina cyangwa?
Do I look like a humorous motherfucker to you?
Urabona nsa n'igiswa kije mu mikino hano. Turabandi birabura.
Somebody butchered my family.
Hari umuswa watemaguye umuryango wanjye. Somebody butchered my family. Butcher ubundi ni ababazi. Ababaga inka, ababaga n'ihene. Iyo umuntu bamwise butcher aba ari umubazi. Umuntu rero yabaza umuryango wanjye. Oh.
Roasted my baby brother alive.
Yabaze murumuna wanjye nakundaga. Butchered my baby brother I loved.
They took from me the only thing good.
They took from me the only thing good. Banyambuye ikintu cyiza gusa.
The only thing pure.
The only thing pure. Ikintu nari mfite nk'ikintu cy'umwimerere.
I ever had a hand in.
But we don't know shit.
Mwana ntabwo umuntu wishe murumuna we tumuzi.
Please, okay, all right. You got this fucking wrong. This ain't about you.
Mwatuyobeyeho ntabwo twe turabishanye. Kirongeye kirabarebera ushujije.
What you mean? I know this ain't about Malcolm.
It's not about Malcolm.
Mwana umuntu murimo gushaka ndamuzi. Mako nanjye ndamuzi.
About Malcolm's job.
Ntabwo turimo turashaka Mako ariko abo Mako azi barimo barabica.
Widow, your brother was in the wrong place at the wrong fucking time, all right?
Okay, umuvandimwe wawe yari ahantu habi mu gihe kibi. Niba yari aziranye na Mako bashaka Mako bica murumuna wanyu.
I understand where your head's at, man.
Ndabizi icyo bisobanuye ni akababaro kuri wowe.
Be doing the same fucking thing.
Gusa nawe urimo guhiga Mako natwe niwe duhiga Mako.
But trust me, it's the way to handle this.
Yeah, so what is?
Ntabwo twigeze twica murumuna wawe.
Let us do our jobs. Widow.
Yes.
Hunting and tracking people is what we're good at.
Twebwe tuzi guhiga abantu gusa abagizi ba nabi turabahiga kandi tukabageraho.
We'll find this motherfucker.
Nitubabona tuzaguha umuswa mwirwarize.
He's right. With us, it's the best chance you got to find these guys before they skip town.
Umva ni twebwe abantu beza mufite gufata uwo muswa wakwice murumuna wawe mbere yuko acika umujyi. Ubu turi mu kirego kimwe. Sasa abantu bagenda batwika kiri umuntu akiki kirabura nacyo bagitwikiyemo. Aba barimo guhiga icyatwitse rero. Iki nacyo kibaboneye kugira ngo kibabaze uwatwitse ninde. Ariko bararenga nabo ni barakimenya cyatwitse. Sawa. Ndabarira ndi mwene Myasiro.
Shadow on your ass watching and waiting.
Mwana nzaba mu mwijima ndebe udutafari twanyu kandi ntegereje. I'll be in the shadow watching your ass and waiting. Nzaba mu mwijima ndebe udutafari twanyu kandi ntegereje. No kuvuga ngo abaho bagenda bose ikigabo kirabakurikiranye.
But it's
ndategereje.
Motherfucker definitely gonna reap what he sow, you heard me?
Uwo muswa agomba nawe kuzabona icyo yatanze ku bandi. Muranyumva yanyice petit frère man niga.
Yeah, I understand.
Ndabyumva nakababaro kawe ndakumva. Arabotera. Mubare kure man. Muradusiga ina kandi mwadukuye hakurya. Musubireyo n'amaguru muri abakomando niga. Komando bashaka kuvana n'amaguru kabwira uti mutaye Bugande n'amaguru. Iryo joro bakagerayo. Aje mbaze batega ubutaro bagenda bate. Kuzabana ukuntu bagenda narumiwe jewe.
Nobody knows shit. What about you guys?
Forensics ID the burn Vic from yesterday.
Yeah, Louis Gunther.
Barekuye barangije baje ku kirego cy'abantu barasanye ejo bundi.
Boy. What about these guys?
Abagabo nyensa no bazi.
It's a strange deal. All the IDs we found on them?
Ari amaranga muntu yabo wigeze ubona se cyangwa hari ubindi buryo ubozemo?
Bogus.
All of them?
Yeah, but not your usual internet garbage. Real high quality stuff. I honestly thought they were the real deal till I ran them.
Why don't you take a look at Pretty Boy over here?
Gwaje ukareba kagahungu gasa nari keza.
Well, here's something you might find interesting.
Dore no dusasu dusana.
Out of his shoulder.
Akavanye mu bitu.
Bullet fragments.
These are fragments z'amasasu, bullet fragments. Oh.
So what is it?
Nibiki?
Shrapnel.
That's what I was figuring.
Kageze kuri bimenye.
Check this one out.
Bayirebe nibi. Check this one. Aza kureba indi hakuno. Yeah.
Forensics is guessing it's from a 308 or bigger. There's another one in the meat locker. He's got a Cyrillic tattoo on his forearm, and what looks to be old white phosphorus burn scars peppered all over his back.
basa naho bose bafite utumenyetso tumwe kandi hari n'undi wasigaye hakurya.
Looks that way.
N'abahanga.
Well, that explains a lot.
Gut uravuga iki?
Yesterday when I shot it out with these guys,
yanarasana
weapons, tactics.
N'aba bantu intwaro zabo, tactics zabo, their weapons, tactics, tactique barwanagamo, intwaro bakoreshaga kwataka kwabo.
Like soldiers.
Barwanaga nk'abasirikare umva kananga hakurya, like soldiers.